ka na bumabarkada.
Talagang tigil kasi before, I used to watch a lot of TV.
So, walang
hanging
idleness.
Out, talagang tuloy-tuloy. Kasi you have to be ahead eh. I'm very competitive, sabi ko nga. So, for me to be ahead of others, I should be talagang one step ahead lagi. Mas dapat focused ako. Mas marami akong time na binibigay. Yeah. Mas tutok ako kaysa sa kanila. Basta lagi dapat kang ahead if you want to be on top talaga. So, in every way, sa paggising lang, when you wake up, you should wake up talagang umaga pa lang. Natutulog pa lang sila, dapat ikaw gising ka na.
Gising ka na. Wow, ang galing nga, Sam.
So, tulog na sila, dapat ikaw gising ka pa rin.
Gising
so,
ka.
para hindi ka nila maabutan. Kasi kung gagawin mo yung ginagawa nila, hindi parehas lang kayo. Walang difference. Unlike kung may ginagawa kang kakaiba, you're doing something that they're not doing.
Pare-pareho lang kayo. Yeah. Medyo na yon. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, sabi ni Sam, what he did is, he had to, for his success, where he is now, he had to sacrifice a lot of things in the beginning of course. Also, right? Like, hindi siya nagbabarkada, hindi na siya lumalabas, hindi gumigimik, and then pag tulog pa yung kanyang mga barkada, to be ahead, gising na siya. At pag tulog na sila, gising pa rin siya. So,
working pa rin. So
marami rin
it paid
hardship.
off naman. Yeah. Of course, lahat ng success may
Did you feel like physical pains and hardship along the way? Did you? Parang sleepless nights,
yeah, of course.
Sometimes headaches?
Kasi for me, sobrang pinakamahirap na ginagawa ko is yung gumising. Ang sarap kasi matulog eh. Pero
that's true, ha?
Ang sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, ngayon lang to.
Yun lang sinasabi mo.
Ngayon lang to.
Sige,
darating ng time, sa akin na siya. Makukuha ko na to. So, yun.
Which you did, right? So, did you ever feel bad na yung girlfriend o girl na gusto mo, napunta na doon kasi wala ka ng time? Did it ever happen to you? Let's go personal a little bit.
May nangyari rin ganun, pero...
And then still you were focused?
Ngayon kasi, hindi naman mangyayari sa akin yung mga nangyayari sa akin. Hindi rin nangyari yung mga... Hindi ko rin ginawa yun. So, I believe, part talaga siya nung pagmamature ko din, nung what I am right now. That's all part of it. So,
were you also in love along the way while you were on the way to success, Sam?
Yeah, of course. Diba? Kailangan kasama rin yun. May inspiration ka. Ganun.
So, importante yung inspiration. So, at that time, there was also somebody inspiring you aside from your brothers and sisters. Sabi yung pagmamahal mo na one day you could share it to them.
Kasi in our business, you get to meet a lot of people.
Yeah, and then you get inspired by a lot of other people. Pero, was there any one in your life, like yung private, na personal, na inspired you aside from your family? Was there any woman in your life that inspired you to do better?
Pinakauna siyempre yung mom ko. I mean,
yeah, I know. I mean, aside from your family.
Yeah, may mga girlfriend.
And then it went off, and still another one inspired you again to even do better. So your failure sometimes and the private life, did it make you even work harder? It did?
You can say that. Kasi yun nga, medyo na-concentrate din ako sa business. Napabayaan ko rin before yung more on personal naman. Pero okay na, naman eh, we all go through with it. So, ayun.
So, at what age did you feel a little bit more comfortable and more relaxed as to the money-making success?
Wala, hindi pa siguro.
Up to now, you still have that drive, that focus.
Yeah.
Of other things that you would like to do in life?
Hirap mag-relax kasi nowadays. Kasi sabi ko, I'm very competitive. Parang, I'm still young. Nag-start pa lang ako. I mean, feeling ko nga wala pa ako doon. I mean,
no, but
I'm
at
just
the age of
starting.
26, that success where you're in now could be already attained by...
for some
people at the age of 45 na-attain lang nila yan, 50 or even 60, you know? So do you will still, you're still in that continuous process? Because sabi nga nila, yung success nga, it depends on your more choices, other things inspires you again, di ba? So, when you do a focus like that, mga business entrepreneurs like you who are very successful, so marami kang gini-give up talaga na about things privately, like time with your family, with your father, mother, with your brothers, your family, your relatives, time with maybe with girlfriends who like you or somebody you like or it
Yeah.
inspires you. So do you sometimes give this up?
No, I make sure na may time naman sila. Let's say, time management eh. You have to
So are you doing that?
Kasi, yeah, you have to balance it. So, pero, pag para sa kanila yung time, para sa kanila lang. Pag para sa business na oras, doon lang. Para talagang hindi magulo. Kasi pag hinalo-halo, magtatampo to, or yung business mo naman, ma-affect. So, kailangan alam mo kung paano.
Have your family or anyone complained na, hey, wala ka ng time?
Yeah,
I mean,
before. Pero after some time, they understood naman na
does your family ever complain about your time?
before. Pero now, medyo may time na. Every Sunday, family day.
So you go see your family,
Yep.
and then time for your whatever private person friend. Kung in your process of your success pa rin, ladder of success to the future entrepreneurship or more companies to come for you, Sam, ang focus mo pa rin yung give up more other pleasurable things like yung holidays, di ba? With your money, you should be in America, enjoying your time, go to Greece, see the beautiful place of Greece, or hang out in Boracay for 1 month, or in Palawan, or other beautiful places in the world, di ba? But you're not doing that. Why?
Because front row, sa company, we just started eh.
So, yung focus pa rin.
Focus nandun pa rin. Hindi namin pwedeng babayaan kasi a lot of people are depending on us. Kailangan kami doon, hindi kami kasi may responsibility kami sa mga tao namin eh. Hindi ka basta sila nag-work, ikaw nandun ka, nagpapa-vacation ka. There's a time for everything. Of course, in the future, sana makapag-relax din,
like you can own your time, you
mean. Pero as of the moment, our focus is on front row. We're having a new office. We're opening another one in Tomas Morato. Palaki ng palaki yung company. There's a
soon in Makati.
Soon in Makati, Cebu, Davao, hopefully all over the Philippines. So, that's where our focus is right now.
So, pag successful pa lang isang tao, no, maraming responsibility.
Actually,
you keep focus pa rin, no?
Pag lumalaki rin talaga yung, lumalaki rin yung responsibility.
Ang responsibility, di ba? Tapos discipline.
Discipline.
Now you have to discipline. And of course, because of the responsibility that you have for those people invested their money on you, you have to protect them, right? And you have to keep inspiring them and trying to let them stay with you.
Yeah.
You know, because people can just take them away from you
Improve
again.
the company. Tapos, for them to, kasi, minsan pag yun na lang,
Mabuboard.
baka mabore. So, talagang buti na lang with the help of my partner, which is on the creative part of the business, paganda yung company namin.
And there'll be more products to sell, to improve the health and wellness of people and beauty.
Services in the future. So, with all of those things in the future, mukhang maganda yung magiging future ng company.
Ng company ninyo. Okay, good. So, what can you tell to a young man like when you were 21, a 21-year-old person who's about to graduate? Does it really help that you study in the best school, one of the best school in the Philippines like UP? I mean, that environment of intelligent people or people who have got this driven ambitions to be better than others. Kasi mga UP ganyan aggressive and
very
like
driven, competitive.
Very competitive type of students.
It
It does?
It really helped me to be what I am right now when I went to UP. Kasi parang lahat ng kaklase ko is from all over the country, from all the provinces,
the
best of the best. Sa block ko pa lang, valedictorian ng Laguna, ng Iloilo, Quezon City, ako. So, before ka alam mo, magaling pagdating mo doon.
Isa ka lang.
You become humbled by the experience na lahat ng magagaling nandun. Marami pang magaling. So, may competitive ka. Plus, you get to talk to intelligent people, driven people, which inspires you also.
You get good ideas from...
Kasi sabi nga nila, pag sa environment mo, saan ka, malaking influence talaga eh. Siguro kung napunta ako, let's say, sa environment na pabarkada ako or ang